In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify website design, how to fix logo width size. By the end, you'll know exactly where to upload your logo and how to dial in its size so it looks sharp and consistent across your store. First, log into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, head to Online Store, then open Themes. On your current theme, click Edit Theme to launch the theme editor. This is where all your visual settings live and where we'll make the logo changes. Inside the editor, open the Theme Settings panel, then choose Logo and Favicon. This section controls the brand assets for your storefront. If you haven't added a logo yet, click Select. In the file picker, choose Add Files, browse to your logo on your computer, and upload it. Once it appears in your library, select the file you want to use and confirm your choice. When you're happy with the selection, click Done to attach it to the theme. Now, let's fix the size. Still in Logo and Favicon, look for the controls that manage your logo's width. Depending on your theme, this might be a slider or a numeric field measured in pixels. Slowly increase or decrease the width until the logo feels balanced with your header and navigation. If your theme offers separate width options for desktop and mobile, adjust each one so the logo doesn't dominate the header on small screens or look tiny on larger displays. Use the device preview icons in the theme editor to quickly switch between desktop and mobile views while you fine-tune. A few quick tips as you adjust. Keep your logo's aspect ratio intact. Don't stretch it by changing height and width independently. If the logo looks blurry, try uploading a higher resolution version. Ideally, a transparent PNG or an SVG if your theme supports it. Aim for a size that's readable but leaves enough space for your menu and icons. Oversized logos can push content down and hurt the overall layout. If you notice the logo still looks constrained, it may be capped by your header's max height. In that case, a slightly wider logo usually gives a cleaner result than a taller one. When everything looks right in the preview, click Save in the top corner to publish your changes. Give your storefront a quick refresh in a separate browser tab to confirm the logo renders correctly in the live theme. That's it. You uploaded your logo, selected it, adjusted the width for the best fit, previewed on different devices, and saved your changes. Your brand should now look crisp and consistent across